So I have a really exciting day today. We are at the Indiana Final Cut warehouse sale. That's what's behind me. So we're in Indiana, Pennsylvania, and if you guys haven't heard of this warehouse before, essentially it's this massive warehouse that has like slightly damaged urban and anthropology furniture inside, and they sell it at an insanely discounted rate. Like, I think last time we came it was 40% off and then 50% off the 40% off, so whatever that equals in math, it's insanely discounted. So basically you can find a ton of really nice furniture that has very tiny imperfections in it and get it for a really great price. So we came here a year and a half ago and now we're back. Now they started doing them every few months. They used to do it once a month. This is the first one for 2022. So I'm so excited because there's probably going to be a ton of good stuff. So one thing that I have noticed already that's different from the last time we came is that the line is a lot more under control. They started doing it where you have to get a ticket, and the tickets are free, but you have to like be one of the people that secures the ticket. And my boyfriend and I actually were on the wait list for getting tickets, and then over the past week we both got accepted into coming. Thank God, because I really wanted to get some furniture. But anyway, last time we came, we got here at 5:30 a.m. and we were the 150th set of people in line. This time we got here around 5 a.m., scoped it out, and then we went to drive to get Dunkin', and then came back, and we're still like maybe the 15th set of people in line, so it's really not that bad. But anyway, this is it behind me. We're going to be waiting outside. It's around 6 o'clock now, but we're going to be waiting outside until 9 a.m. when they open the doors. So we're just going to be sitting in the cold, trying to stay warm, and I'll take you guys inside.
Take it one day at a time. Keep it shining like the stars you see above. I wanted to be here by my side.
So we're about to go inside. It is 8:50 something. We've been waiting here for so long. We're so cold. But we've made friends. We were playing trivia and won. And I won a prize by default because no one else wanted the prize.
We're a lot closer in line.
Yeah, look how close we are.
Turned around and
I'm scared.
Just a picture. I think there might be an audible.
Oh my god, oh my god. This place is huge. Jesse and I have found several good things. I'm taking a 5-second break here, enjoying the furniture. You can just sit on everything, open up all the drawers, test it out, because obviously, even though everything is discounted, you want to make sure you like it before you buy it. So anyway, we're just exploring now, looking to see if we missed any gems before we get out of here. Jesse is currently measuring our sofa that we want to get by himself because this one came back for sale. So we're deciding between this guy and that guy because we want a white sofa. I think we found it. We have been looking everywhere. There are so many good things in here. We've already found sofas we love. We've been like debating between items, walking around, doing laps up and down. So I want to explain to you guys how it works. So basically, if you see a piece of furniture that you like, it can be literally anything, a mirror, a pillow, whatever you like. They have these tags on there. So there's 2 different tags. There's one with the price and then one that says sold. So essentially what I do is once I decide I like something, I'm gonna look for what's wrong with it because obviously all of these things have like little imperfections. So for instance, for this one, I noticed that it's kind of dirty here. So then you would decide like, okay, is it worth it being a little bit dirty? Like, are you able to clean it? Can you fix it? Whatever. And if you decide yes, it's worth it, or you think like maybe a pillow will cover that, then all you do is take this tag with the price on it and then it will just say sold when you walk away, and so everyone else after you knows that this item is sold and they're not going to take it. So then you end up like us with a bunch of different tags. So these are all the items we've picked up so far that we like around here. And then once we're ready, we'll go to the checkout line, pay for it, and head out the door. And by the way, all of the prices are actually 50% off what it says. So this sofa, it says $840, but it's really only $420. So you're getting deals on deals on deals. Here are our purchases. Here's the final load. Jesse did not think it would fit. I manifested this with my positivity. And he's gonna flip me off for it. We successfully made it out of the Indiana Final Cut warehouse sale. That was intense. It is now almost 2 o'clock. We got there at 5 a.m. So just understand that was a very long process, but it was so nice. It was really, really organized, especially comparing it to the last time we came, which was in 2020. Apparently that one was one of the last ones before they started doing ticketed sales. So when we came before, there was over 1,000 people that came. So just, it was so intense, so crazy. And this one was really nice because since it is ticketed, only about 200 people I think were allowed to go. And it was cool because even if you didn't get a ticket, you got added to a wait list, and then they let a lot of people from the wait list go. Like Jesse and I both were on the wait list and got to go. And then the way it worked was instead of like before where everyone had to wait outside and then once someone came out you could go in, this time they just let everyone in at one time, and then you start shopping, you go all around. So there was a lot of people in there to start, but then people started leaving and it got really calm, and then we just like found some really nice gems. So we're leaving today with one sofa. I already have 2 sofas at home, so we're going to need to sell one of them that we have, but we'll show you when we get back what everything looks like. But we got a sofa, a smiley face rug, that's Jesse's find. He is excited about it even though he's frowning right now. And then we got a dresser drawer situation. Mine at home is really broken and really just not functional anymore, so we needed to get that. And then the last thing we got is a mirror with LED lights all around it. We'll show you guys everything, like I said, when we get back, but we are so excited about everything we found. And today, like I said, was so calm, so successful. Even though it was a long day, we are very happy with the results. Okay, so it's a few days later and I finally have all of the items that I got situated around my house. It took a few days to first get everything inside. Like my boyfriend and I absolutely could not carry this all by ourselves, so we got our friends to come over, help us put everything in its spots, and it looks so good. I'm so excited to show you all. Everything we got I feel like was the right decision. I'm very excited about all of it and it looks so nice. So I'm going to take you guys around my house and show you guys everything we got, and I'll also tell you how much it was originally and then how much we paid. Here is the first item. So this is a 6-drawer dresser. It is so nice. It's white wood, and then it has this like gold and silver detailing for all of the different handles. Like I said, 6 drawers, they have a lot of space. And the only flaw that we have found with this is this tiny little chip. That goes to show you guys that they are selling things with very tiny problems for an insane price. So we paid $500 for this, and it's selling for about $1,500 online brand new. This is the big one, so I'm gonna show you. Prepare yourselves. Hopefully everyone likes it because I'm obsessed. Here we go. Ah, a giant white fluffy Sherpa sofa. Look at this thing. It is so freaking nice. It's 10 feet long. So it's actually 2 separate pieces. That's one piece, this is the other piece, and we put them together. We thought it was meant to be like one long one, so we were like, wow, we're gonna have a 10-foot long sofa. So it's actually supposed to be one of these, and then that piece is supposed to come out like this, so you kind of have like a leg rest ottoman situation. However, they had it on display like this in the warehouse. So we got it like this, set it up like this, and then when I tried, or when I found it online on the website and saw how it's like displayed in their photos, the piece that we have cannot be turned this way because both the ends would be on the outside, if you know what I mean. Like there would be no open leg space. We would have one of these hard ends where your feet are supposed to hang off. So we're just keeping it like this. We love how oversized it looks and it's so comfortable to sit on. So this on the website, if we bought it brand new, is $4,700 and we got it for $1,200, which is so insane. And for the problem with it, the only thing we could find is one of these little foot pieces, whatever that's called, the leg, has a tiny crack in it. Everything else, zero flaws. So the last two items I'm gonna show you are my boyfriend's finds. So his taste is definitely more Urban Outfitters style and mine is more Anthropologie. So he likes those like cool, unique things and I like a little bit more classic. So it's nice because at the warehouse, you obviously have both. So first is this insane LED mirror. It is a floor mirror. It's so long, so tall, taller than me. I'm 5'9" for reference. I'm guessing this is like 6 foot something. It's so cool. It has this like blue LED light all around the edges here, and then you just plug it in behind. So the only flaw we could find is that the LED light is slightly off track right down here, but it still works perfectly. No one could tell unless you're looking at the back. So he got this one, and on the site I think it's like $350 and we got it for $200-ish. And then the last item is this really fun smiley face mirror. This is such a vibe. So he found this at the sale for I believe like $80 and it's online for $170 or $180. And I can't find anything wrong with it. Look how cool this looks all together. Such a vibe down here. So that was everything that we got this time around, but I want to go around my house and show you guys the items that I got last time when we went in August 2020 because they are finally decorated in my house. I mean, they've been decorated for a while, but the last time I filmed a YouTube video about this sale, they weren't decorated. So I want to show you guys how they look because the quality is really, really good. They look so beautiful. No one will ever be able to know that they were damaged products just because once you style them or once you have them in your space, they really fit in with the rest. So we're gonna go around and I'll quickly show you guys those items too. So first we have this leaning bookshelf. I love this thing. I think I got it for around $100. If you guys watched the last YouTube video, I said all the prices there, but it looks so good here. And the only problem with it was that it was slightly tilted. However, when it's decorated and on the wall, it doesn't even move, it doesn't fall, it just looks great. The next one was this cool buffet table storage unit. I don't know what we want to call this, but it looks so pretty and the quality is really great. One of the shelves inside was broken when we got it. We fixed it in like 30 seconds. So honestly, so worth it. And I think we paid like $400 or $500 for that. The next one is this really vibey low to the ground sofa we have in our basement. So it's like a minty green color. I know it looks kind of gray in this light, but trust me, it is green in person. So this one I think we got for like $400. It was originally $1,000 or $2,000. And the problem with it was that there's actually supposed to be legs under here to make it taller, but they're not. They were broken off when we got it and we think it looks so cool low to the ground. And then the last two items are this chair and this chair, and I think we paid about $100 for each of them. So that is everything for this YouTube video. I hope you guys enjoyed coming with me to the Indiana Final Cut warehouse sale. We always have so much fun going and obviously find the best pieces that we're really excited about. If you aren't already subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead and do that now. You can also hit the like button, comment any questions, and then you can find me on Instagram and TikTok with the handle I'll put on the screen. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye!
On the beaches of Hawaii.